Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. As you can probably see, I'm in a different location again today and we're riding on the wrong side of the road. Yeah, where am I? We're out in Slovenia. Yeah! We're out here with a group of friends for a week riding with Canary Motorcycle Tours. We've got a wee band of mates of mine all from Scotland. There's 7 of us out here on the run. Up front is Martin, who from Canary Motorcycle Tours. He's our guide for today and leading us along hopefully some amazing roads. We have David, Ian, Kona, Kenny, Charlie and Marcus and myself. That's our team. Guys that I ride with regularly out in Scotland, and also most of them, apart from Kenny, have been to Gran Canaria and have ridden out there as well. So we're quite experienced with riding with this company. Apparently today we're going to head for the hills. We're going to head up towards Austria, over the border. Yeah, so sit back and relax and let's enjoy our first day in Slovenia. This is very different from Gran Canaria. Completely different landscape altogether. And people who followed my channel, who probably followed my last Gran Canaria series, sort of noticed that I'm back out in the same bike. I'm back out in the 750 NC 750 Honda DCT, which I loved the last time I was out in it. So it'll be interesting to see how it performs out here on potentially different roads, different kind of style of terrain. So I'm sure we're going to have a great week and some great adventures and hopefully some amazing filming for you to enjoy. A nice gnarly wee windy road. It's roads like this that we like. It's certainly fairly climbing, that's for sure. Should get some good views up here. The architecture is very interesting as well. Yeah, this is nothing like Scotland. It's lovely and warm here as well. All I've got on is a t-shirt and a mesh jacket, and it's actually quite refreshing. It's quite cool. The breeze is blowing through because when you stop, it's so hot here, and it's still early in the morning. It'll certainly get hotter as the day progresses. That's for sure. Some of the little villages are beautiful. They've got so much character. This is lovely.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Never learn to rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground.
Just look at this valley way up here, and we're going up into the hills there. Oh, isn't this absolutely amazing?
Once more, don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
This is the nice thing about these tours. You go for an hour and a half or so, maybe a couple of hours, nice riding through some amazing countryside, and stop in local places like this for a nice morning coffee. There's Martin leading us off. Followed by Kenny, Kona, and Marcus, Charlie, David, and Ian. Look at this little valley down here. In this weather, it's idyllic, isn't it? I mean, the backdrop of these mountains. But imagine what it's like here in the winter time. It's probably quite severe winters, I would imagine. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's so hot as well today. With some warm air just blowing through the jacket. It's just, yeah, this is biking heaven. Absolutely biking heaven. This looks beautiful, doesn't it? It's like an Alpine village. Welcome to Savica. Some of those buildings up. Oh wow. You just switch the cameras off and then you immediately have to turn them back on because you come around a corner and these wonderful views just open up to you. Look at that. What a place. Some of the structures are amazing. They're obviously all well designed to cope with the environment and the weather conditions that you get throughout the year. Scenic. Welcome to Scenic. You keep through going after village, and they're all so beautiful. It just blows you away. It really, really does. Just look at this place. It's amazing. There are always little tight, little narrow streets. And such a diverse buildings. You know, almost farm buildings and houses and little businesses. at some of these buildings. There's always a wee shrine in the corners, isn't there? I think this is the Kranja Gora. I'm sure I saw a sign back there for that. Either that or we're approaching it, I'm not very sure. It's certainly an interesting little road. Hopefully it'll wind up to some amazing views. The hills up there, I mean, they look quite amazing as well, right? This is a beautiful area. If we get a wee bit of elevation and maybe clear the tree line a wee bit. Oh, wonderful smell of pine from that, all those trees that have been cut down. Oh, it opens up into this valley. It's this beautiful. Radovna, Zedji Radovna. Yeah, what a beautiful place it is. The backdrop of those hills, wow, they're magnificent. Quite tight corners. A good surface though, this bit. Looks like it's been recently resurfaced. It's nice, smooth. You come around the corners and you come drop into this valley and you just see all this ahead of you. It's beautiful. Honestly, I was like, oh, that's beautiful. I was loving it. Yeah, welcome to Mojstrana. What a beautiful, beautiful place. Isn't it fabulous? It's a hard life being a YouTuber, having to come out here, 30-degree heat, in a place like this. It is absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. What a place. Anyway, we're heading off. We're going for lunch, which is somewhere quite close to here apparently. You just drop down from that vantage point into this lovely little village. Yeah. Amazing place. Yeah, part of that view over to that valley is the Kranja Gora, where they had some of the Winter Olympics, etc. Look at this view, going through this bridge and looking up there, the hill's way up there. I hope you can see it, but it's absolutely incredible. Up the top up there. Wow. That is so rugged. The cameras will push it away, you just won't see it like I can, but what a view. Absolutely beautiful. This looks like a really nice wee place. I'm assuming this may be where we're going to stop for lunch. Is that what you expected for lunch, Kona?
No. One sausage and no fries, no national fries.
Yeah, it all looks absolutely delicious.
Picture in the book with our fries with it. Yeah.
At least we can tell Joy that Martin's abstaining. He's the healthy option.
Nada.
Well, that was a lovely wee lunch there at a wee restaurant. A lovely little town this is. Now we're going to head off for the afternoon session. Going to head into Austria, which apparently is just the other side of this hill here, into Austria. We just crossed the border there, so what have we got to say? Welcome to Austria! Yay! And look at this bit up here. It looks like this corner we go around is going to open up some amazing views. Look at that. Look at that roundabout, isn't that wonderful? You can understand this being a bit of a biker's paradise. The roads are fantastic, really good quality, nice big long sweeping bends. We've been riding through some amazing countryside. It's absolutely stunning, beautiful, beautiful place. And the background of all these hills up here is, oh, yeah, fabulous. But it's absolutely roasting. I don't know what it is. It's over 30 degrees, it has to be. It's absolutely boiling. This is a superb piece of winding, climbing road. I wouldn't like to walk on this road. It's a gorgeous road and the surface is superb. I would imagine the locals on the sports bike will be hammering up here. Funny wee building, it's a wee church. It's tiny. Oh, there's hairpin here. Bring around. Another hairpin here. This is a good bit. Drop it in. Come round, you come, round you come. That's it. I think that must be the border there. I think we must be back into Slovenia in it. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. It's lovely. I'm assuming once you get through this tunnel, that'll be us back in Slovenia. That looks like a border control we just passed through. Looks like we're coming to the end of it. Once we go up through this tunnel, we'll go back into the oven. Oh, but look at it. Look at the hills. Wow. This would have been a coffee stop, but it's turned out to be a watering hole. Everybody's. Are you enjoying it, David?
Loving it.
I'll see if I can fit somewhere else in you can get in the back of somebody else for a while. Also, I won't be hounding Marcus so much.
I just thought you wanted to be as one of the stars. That was a nice wee coffee stop in there, or hot water stop I should say, because nearly everybody just had wanted water, nothing else. The temperature was up to 34 degrees when we arrived here. I think it's dropped, it's maybe only 33 now, but it's absolutely roasting. That's us heading off. An hour to go and we'll be back to the hotel. It's been a superb day, it really has. Look at some of these buildings in here. You see a big difference when you've come from Austria down into Slovenia. Austria is so much wealthier than it is down here. Well, this is back in the outskirts of Ljubljana, heading back to the hotel. It's got pretty busy in here, so I'm having to filter through the traffic. It's been a fantastic day out on the bikes. Fantastic weather. The roads have been incredible. Yeah, it's been a really good day. Thoroughly enjoyed our first day out here in Slovenia. Anyway, I think I'll leave you now and concentrate on getting through this traffic. Hope you've enjoyed this wee episode and stick around for the next one. See you all soon. Bye for now. That's us all back, safe and sound. Look at the view down there. Oh, wow, 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 wow. This is some road. Just look at that. Wow, wow, wow.